Hello everyone, I received this PS5 from a customer that's already took the Ethernet port. So we are gonna take the port from the PS Slim because it's the same port and replace it to here. So this part looks good, but we are gonna need to lower melting point for these pads because there is a big ground here and that's gonna take a lot of heat. So this is a regular solder paste, and you can see this is the medium one because there is some of them is 220. This is 183. That's what we use normally for soldering. And this one here is a low melt. This one is a 130 degree melted point, so like about 50 degrees between this one and this one. So I mixed some here with the flux, and we are gonna solder it. And we can get some help with the hot air, because right now the low melt is just in the top, but we need it to be mixed all the way through the board. So now we have to take this port, and we are gonna put the same low melt solder around the pad. And we move the pen a little bit to be sure that's gonna help the solder to go all the way in. The other side, the same thing. So we want to take the port with the minimum damage in the plastic. We don't want a lot of heat around this plastic. And you can see now the pen is moving. It means it's melted all the way in. When we move it like that, we are pushing the low melt to go all the way through. And one more, these pens too, the other side, we want them to be quick melting so they don't give us a hard time. I can see the pens now moving, so it's ready to go. Okay, let's put some hot air. We get help with the solder iron too. Already I see the port start moving now. Yep, so it's ready to go. Let me test our port, if it lock in. Yeah, it does. Yeah, this port is a little bit look like it start melting this side, but I stopped it before that. And because that's the only port I have, so I have to be a little bit careful with it. I'm gonna warm up. Give it a minute, like to push the solder all the way in. Alright, so let's check the other side. And yeah, the solder is all the way. Yeah, the port looks good. The job is done. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.